Knock knock Neo! Let's create decentralized wallet for Neo blockchain. Go to atomicwallet.io, download the file for your operating system and install the app. Open it, click on the New Wallet button and create the password to encrypt private data on your device. Get your mnemonic phrase and save it on 2 pieces of paper in 2 different places. Then click on the Start Using Atomic button, and that's it! Now you can manage Neo and Gas in one secure interface. Just withdraw your assets to your Atomic address from any other external service or import your private keys in the Settings tab. You can buy crypto with a credit card and exchange your assets with built-in exchange service right in Atomic Wallet interface. Your private keys are stored in an encrypted manner on your device and never leave it, so your money is totally under your control. Claim AWC tokens by leaving an email in the airdrop tab. Download the app now at atomicwallet.io and follow the White Rabbit.